So this is the first model that passed this test. GPT-5 is finally here. It's very good. Yes, I'm gonna test it later. But first, let's see what we have here. We have actually a lot of different GPT-5s. So we have here the actual best one, which is the GPT-5, the best model for coding and agentic tasks. And we have the GPT-5 Mini, a faster and more cost-efficient one. And then the Nano, a even faster one. And this GPT-5 Chat. They're saying here they use this one for the chatgpt. So if you are using the free plan, probably you're gonna have this version. And this is what I'm gonna test right now. I don't have access to these ones, but let's see some examples first. They have here some coding examples. This first one is rolling ball mini game. So let's play it. It looks pretty good and it works, of course. Oh, I lost. Okay, so you can see this is how good I am at gaming. What else they have? This pixel art, pretty good. This typing game. Actually, this is a typing speed tester. This drum simulation. They're saying you have access right now, but in the free plan, at least for me, I don't. And yes, it's going to be available in the free plan. How insane is that? But I don't have it yet. What AI model are you? And it's going to say it's GPT-4o, whatever. You can test it for free in the LM Arena. Probably have a limit. It's going to prompt you to verify once in a while, but it's possible. So let's test it. Create a dot-to-dot puzzle game of a penguin in a self-contained HTML file. So I'm gonna copy this, paste it here. I'm going to accept the terms. It's working. So GPT-5, probably the chat version. So it's here. I'm gonna copy the code. Oh, okay. This is the nicest looking dot-to-dot puzzle game I have ever seen in my tests. Let's see if it works. Apparently it's working. Oh my god, I have a timer. Almost complete. Oh yes. Finally, an actual penguin in this test. So this is the first model that passed this test. Very nice. So GPT-5 started pretty good. So it passed. And it's very nice. The penguin doesn't look perfect. You can see here some spacing. But I'm gonna give, I guess, 8, which is pretty impressive for this particular test. Make a 3D penguin simulation in a self-contained HTML file. It should have mountains, a ground where the penguins get together when it's too cold. Give me a slider for the climate temperature. Use 3JS. So I'm gonna copy this, and here it is. The scene looks pretty good. The mountains are okay. It's 10 degrees, so the penguins are running away. It's too hot for them. They start getting together when it's colder, and the colder it is, the whiter it is because of the snow, I guess. Pretty good. So it passed again. Score of 9 because the penguins could be a little bit better. Make me a dashboard in a self-contained HTML file to track my finances. It must have an income field and an expenses field with the date selection, a pie chart and a line chart to see my net growth over time, giving me the ability to save in a JSON file. Let's copy this. Wow. I think this is the nicest looking dashboard I have seen in my tests. It works and it's pretty nice looking apart from a little bit of alignment issues here, but it's pretty good. So yes, it passed with a score. I'm gonna give 9 because of the alignment. This should be ridiculous for this model. Create a simple calculator app using Python and PyQt. Give me a single Python file. Here it is. I'm seeing a trend here. This model is outstanding at UI design. 2 plus 2, nice. It gives me the history equals 4. Okay, so it works. This is a pass. score of 10. Now this one is hard. No model passed this one yet. Create a photo editing app using Python and PyQt. It should have a white balance color picker, hue and saturation sliders, adjustment curves, layers with blending modes, text and brush. Give me a single Python file. Okay, so here it is. Apparently it's working, but let's open an image and see. I opened my profile picture and it's a little bit squashed for some reason, but let's see if it works. So opacity, yes, it works. Very, very laggy, but works. Hue and saturation, it's not real time, but after you apply, it works. Adjustment curves, a little weird function in here. Okay, it works. Let's add a text, choose a color, and it gives me the ability to choose a font as well. Okay, here is the text and the test. It works. What about the brush? Can it brush? The brush doesn't seem to be working. This is the best generation of this particular prompt I have ever seen yet. I'm gonna give a pass for this one, but a low score, like 6, a little bit better than 5, which was the best score ever for this one. There are 2 penguins in front of a penguin, 2 penguins behind a penguin, and a penguin in the middle. How many penguins are there? The answer should be 3. It's correct. It's 3. So it passed with a score of 10. Let's see if it can translate Chinese. This is a pretty simple Chinese phrase. Yes, it's correct. So it can translate Chinese. Passed. Score of 10. Now Portuguese translation with colloquial language. Yes, apparently it can translate Portuguese as well. So it passed with a score of 10. Read me a story of a cyborg penguin trying to conquer the world. Okay, it finished. I won't read all of it. You can pause and read it if you want, with a score of maybe 8. Now, the fun part. Let's see how good this model is at impersonation. Now, you are me and I am a girl you're trying to win over. We have never talked to each other before. We are chatting in a texting app like WhatsApp. Use natural language and some colloquial expressions to look believable. Say okay if you understood. The chatting begins after I say hi. So I'm gonna copy this. Okay, so this is a good sign. It answered just okay. So let's begin. Hi. A lot of text and emojis. Hey, I know this is a bit out of the blue. I'm Alex. Figured I'd say hi instead of overthinking it for a week. How's your day going? Also crucial first question. Coffee, tea, or chaotic both? Okay, this is impressive. Definitely tea. Elite choice. What's your go-to? Don't know what this is. Jasmine, oolong, or are you a matcha whisk pro? Okay, so it speaks way too much. Writes. Pretty good actually. Didn't expect it to be this good. Usually the Qwen models are best in impersonation, but this is a pass. And score, I'm gonna say this should be 7. Alright. This is the final score. So GPT-5, probably the chat model, got 87 out of 100 in my tests. No other model came this far. Pretty impressive. This is the comparison between GPT-5 and all of the other models I tested. And it's on the top. Yes, baby. OpenAI is back. The best state-of-the-art model yet. Better than Gemini, better than Qwen, better than Kimi, better than DeepSeek. OpenAI is finally on top again. God bless America, I guess. Well, let me know what you think and don't forget to subscribe.